What's up, guys? We're going to be talking about the front replacement of anti-roll bars links on a C205 Mercedes-Benz. This one's a C63. These parts are going to be directional. There's going to be three main bolts you're going to have to undo. One's going to be for the shock, and then the other two are on the tie rod end itself. There's going to be 21 and 24 millimeters nuts required in spanners.
Right, I look like I got wrecked by this job, and it was a little bit harder than I might imagine because I didn't think I would have to take the strut off, but apparently I did. I don't have to take it all the way off. I just have to take off one bolt and push it off, and then you can get that sway bar link out of here. I would also keep the tires on. So the one side I took the tire off, and this side I kept it on, and I did this side in like 30 minutes and the other side in like 2 hours. So learn from my mistakes, and yeah, so all I would say is try to get the top ones first on the sway bar link bolts. Try to get the top ones first, and then loosen the bottom ones, and then yeah, you know, keep the tires on, and then just tighten everything back up when you're done. You know what I'm saying? All right, thanks again, guys.